Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm opening 3 of these mini brands, minis fill the fridge. I'm gonna take the wrapper off and we'll see what's inside. If you are lucky, you get a rare one that you get to build. So let's take a look. Okay, let's crack them open. I haven't even looked at the checklist, but I know each one comes with a magnet and it's random. So let's look at this real quick. We have 2 create ones. Looks like ice popsicles with fruit hidden in them and some kind of dessert. That's pretty cool. We do have some iconic ones. I hate that you can get those in it because it came with the fridge already. So hopefully we don't get duplicates. Those are pretty cool. That is one you get to make as well. Different varieties of the drink. Panda Express. Okay, there's some good stuff in there. Pretzels, Jello. And then on the back, there's all the fridge magnets you can get. Those are cute. Ooh, lobster, that's adorable. Eggplant, we have some stuff that's wrapped. Kombucha. I'm not excited about these because we've already seen Pizza Hut. And I think Panda Express too, didn't we? They are a little bit smaller, so I guess it's still different. But like a lot of these things we've seen before, so I'm not too excited about that. Hopefully I get some stuff that's new. So the magnet I got is, I guess it's supposed to be a tea. Little spoon on a plate, that's cute. So first item is, of course, naturally, a pizza. The one I wasn't excited about, but that's okay. So we have that. A bottle of water. It feels oily, which is weird. That's what it looks like up close. Next is another freaking pizza, really? 2 pizzas in 1 box. That's interesting. Oh my gosh, I can't even open it. Thought it was the exact same one, but it's technically different. One's pepperoni, one almost looks like it has pineapple and ham on it, so they're different. Next up, something pretty flat. It is, oh cute! The fish that's wrapped up, and I keep dropping it. Now that is super cute and different. I like that. Happy to have that one. Let's see, if this is another bottle of water, I swear. It's the Worcestershire sauce, or however you say that. I heard some people say wash your sister sauce, and that's hilarious. So we have that. And the last one for the container number 1. Ooh, sushi in a container. That is fancy. There's a different variety in there too. That's very cute. Does the top come off? It does. But this is one single piece from within there, but still, that's cute. I like that. Okay, so that was container 1. Container number 2. Adorable. Our magnet is a hot dog. That's so funny. Can't wait to put those on the fridge. First up, we have a new drink. This is a juice. I like that container. It's a neat bottle. Then we have, oh, look, it's cute. The kombucha. Kind of looks like honey or like jam. It's very cute. Oh my god, I think it's another pizza over there. Oh yay! The other wrapped item, lamb chops. And I think there was one other wrapped one, but it has what feels exactly like the wrap, like you could almost like cut it with your nail. So that's cool. Pizza did we get this time? I bet that's gonna be like such a common one. These dang pizzas. You have to let me know if you're annoyed by that too. And it is a dupe. We already got that one. Couple more items. We got the cream cheese. Lid does not open, but it kind of looked like it did. I feel like this too is also a mini. Again, maybe it's slightly smaller than a mini brand we've seen before. And this I think is the last one. Cute. We got some frozen crispy tater tots that we can put in the freezer section. Now that does have probably like a piece of foam or something in it. It's squishy. I like that. I don't like the paper box items, but this one's okay. It's plastic, it's squishy, really cute. Last but not least, let's take a look at the third container. The magnet we got this time. A very cute ice cream. Love it. Now, hopefully no duplicates. Ooh, another item for the freezer. We have a Baskin-Robbins ice cream. I don't know if I've been to a Baskin-Robbins. We don't have one around here. But I think these are cute containers. Looks like a cookies and cream one. This is a drink perhaps, or a condiment. It's a turmeric shot. That's hilarious. That's a real simple bottle. Cute. Next is bagel bites. Yes. I was just saying how I don't like the cardboard boxes, and here's a cardboard box. I just feel like they get squished and tore up. But I definitely love me some bagel bites, so that's cute. Another ice cream. 2 ice creams in the same bunch. This one looks like it's Samoa almond fudge, I think it says. That sounds like a fun flavor. And a couple more left for that container. Another wrapped item. Love it. This time we got the eggplants, and again it looks like you could very easily take off that plastic and then have them out if you wanted them to be out. Then we have, oh, is this the lobster? That is cool. That is one of the ones I wanted, the cooked lobster. Adorable. And something very tiny. Oh, that's adorable. Smaller than I expected. Much smaller than the mini brand ones before. Those were quite larger than this, but this is a Hershey syrup. Honestly, I got some really good ones. There's a few that I wish I would have got, but I might get some more of these if you guys are interested in seeing me open them. I'm just scared to get a bunch of duplicates at this point. But looking over the checklist again, these luxury ones from IHOP are really cool. Of course, I wanted to see the eggs and the ice. That would have been neat. Probably would have been pretty cool to get some of the ones you can build, but we already did make the Jello with the fridge. So yeah, some of these other ones aren't as exciting for me. I did get a lot of the really good ones, the packaged ones. So happy with that. Leave me a comment. Let me know which mini is your favorite. I think I'm gonna have to go with the fish. I just really like that one for whatever reason. It's unique to me, and like I said, some of these things we've seen in the past before, so this, and maybe just the wrapped ones kind of in general, are the newest to me, or most exciting. We got to add the magnets to the fridge. I love that they incorporated that and made it so that magnets stick to it. And I guess I could also fill the fridge. I do have a Jello in there cooking, and a couple of my leftover drinks and pizza that we now have so many of. We can stack the 12,000 pizzas in here. Looks like we had a party. Maybe add our drinks. That is a little tall for there. I guess that has to go down there. We have our kombucha shot. That wasn't a kombucha shot, that was turmeric. This is the kombucha jar. Put our sushi in there, our meat, our fish, lobster, bottle of water, Hershey syrup. We could pretend this is a produce container. Put that in there. Worcestershire sauce. Some of this stuff is a little tall. The cream cheese in there. Open the freezer. Then we have this pull-out drawer where we can put our ice cream and our frozen stuff. That's really cute. And now we have a pretty stocked fridge. If you missed me opening this fridge and making the Jell-O, make sure to check out my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.